Rock Computer College. Define quality training in information technology.
Excel files are called workbooks, and whenever you start a new project in Excel, you'll need to create a new workbook. Now, there are several ways to start working with a workbook in Excel. You can choose to create a new workbook either with a blank workbook or a pre-designed template, or open an existing workbook. Now, to create a new blank workbook, just go to the File tab and it will take you to the Backstage view. Then select New and click on Blank Workbook. Now, a new blank workbook will appear. To open an existing workbook, just navigate to the Backstage view by clicking on File tab, then click on Open. Now, from here, you can select to browse from your computer and go and search where your workbook is, then open. Or if it appears under your recent, you can click on it to open. So mine appears under recent, so I'll click on it and it will open that workbook for you. Now, if you frequently work with the same workbook, you can pin it to the Backstage view for faster access. Just navigate to the File tab. That will take you to the Backstage view. Then go to Open. Now, under Recent, select the document that you want to pin. Then click on the push pin icon. And that workbook will be pinned to your recent. Now, if you want to unpin it, just click on the push pin icon again and it will be unpinned. Now, let's look at using templates. Now, I'll go to New. And here we have some templates. Now, a template is a pre-designed spreadsheet that you can use to create a new workbook quickly. Templates often include custom formatting and predefined formulas so that they can save you a lot of time and effort when starting a new project. So you'll come under in the Backstage view, click the new command, and over here you'll access some templates. Now select the one that you want. I can select the sales report, and then it will be opened up right for you.